What's up, you COBs? It's fun size review time with a fun size human. That's your cue. Do something funny. It's hot chicken wing Oreos from China. Chicken wing flavored Oreos. Are you sure you're ready? Okay. Yeah, it might be hot. Spicy. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your butthole ready for it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
It.
Mickey's ready for it?
Yeah.
Is Mickey's butthole ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you check his butthole?
Yeah.
Is it clean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hot.
Ugh. The cream by itself, actually, not so bad. Pretty spicy.
Nom.
But in combination with the chocolate Oreo cookie, it's revolting. I mean, just as disgusting as you'd expect it to be. What are they?
Good.
You just said they're gross, but you're still eating it. Well, this went pretty much as expected for me. But if this video is showing you nothing else, it's that 2-year-olds will eat absolutely anything. I'm giving these a 1 out of 10. And I'll let you do the honors on this one. A slapping. Try at your own risk.